In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Proton VPN connecting timeout on Mac. So the first thing you may want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure websites also load, for VPN won't work without a stable connection. Next, you may try switching server. For a specific server might be down, so you can just choose another location. And if it's still not working, try restarting the app or your Mac to clear temporary glitches. Also check permissions, so open up your system settings and network settings and ensure that Proton VPN is allowed to add VPN configurations. And if needed, temporarily disable firewall or antivirus as they can block the connection. Lastly, head over to protonvpn.com and look if there are new updates or it has a latest version. And of course, make sure to upgrade to that latest version. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!